Hi everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oil Paris loses after Saudi oilman says OPEC has option including cuts. By Arati Somasker. Houston Reuters oil price bunch of session lows to trade nearly flat in a volatile session on Monday, as market weighed Saudi Arabia's warning that OPEC plus production could cut output against the possibility of a nuclear deal that could return sanctioned Iranian oil to the market. Brent crude future of October settled at 96.48 per barrel, down 24 cents or 0.25%. It had fallen as much as 4.5% earlier in the day, breaking a 3-day streak of gains. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude for September delivery, which expired on Monday, was down 54 cents or 0.6% at 90 $90.23. The more active October contract was down 4 cents or 0.03% at 90,041 dollars. Saudi Energy Minister Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman said OPEC Plus has the commitment, flexibility, and means to deal with challenge and profit guides, including cutting production at any time and different forms. State news agency SPA report. Meanwhile, the leaders of the U.S., Britain, France, and Germany discussed efforts to revive the 2015 Iran nuclear deal, the White House said on Sunday, which could allow sanctioned Iranian oil to return to global markets. The U.S. State Department said a nuclear deal was closer now than it was 2 weeks ago. Earlier in the session, word that aggressive U.S. interest rate hikes may lead to a global economic slowdown and then full demand had pushed down prices. The near-term fundamentals seem or to the bears until we see some positive economic indications either out of the US or China, which is looking unlikely, said Dennis Kissler, Senior Vice President of Trading at BOK Financial. The U.S. Federal Reserve will raise rate by 50 basis points in September amid expectation inflation has peaked and growing recession worse, according to economists in a Reuters poll. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. See you.